Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you quickly how to use First Aid. So this is something that you want to use when, for example, Final Cut Pro is like really slow, or your computer is really slow and you want to see what's going on. Obviously the first thing that you should see in Disk Utility is this: how much free space do you have and how much are you using? So right now we can see that we are using only 65 gigs and free we have 169, which means that we are okay with space. If my free space was only at 20 gigs, 10 gigs, 2 gigs, that would be horrible. My Mac would be so laggy. I wouldn't even be able to do a lot of stuff. Now with older Macs that have an HDD, that's different. Those, you can't even have 60 gigs or even 100 gigs. Sometimes they get slow. With an SSD, you can go down to 20 gigs free, and that's when you notice the big difference that it starts slowing down big time. But anyways, I didn't even show you guys how to get into Disk Utility. So all you have to do is just go right to the top of your screen, right hand side. You're gonna look for this spot. So you're gonna go into Search Spotlight. So just go into it and then just type this up, Disk Utility. It's something that's pre-built into all Macs. Once you open it up, you're gonna see this, and you're gonna see Macintosh HD. So if you click down, you're gonna have these options. Just make sure to select the first one. And something I want to highlight is to never press erase. Erase will delete everything from your storage. So don't do that. We're gonna run First Aid, and that's just to see if we have any errors or anything in the disk. Now, this is something that you don't want to do in the middle of a project. You want to save your projects. I would even save them into an external hard drive just in case, especially if you're having problems already with your Mac. Get that external hard drive, make a backup. I would make a backup using Time Machine, but for now, you most likely just want to transfer some files over there, the most important ones. And again, finish up any projects or just move on to another computer while you fix this one. But anyways, right now we're just gonna click on First Aid. We are gonna see this. It will give you a small warning right here. We're just gonna run it and make sure if this is a MacBook, any MacBook, to be hooked up to some electricity. All right, even if the battery is 100%. So we're just gonna continue on. And here we go. It's gonna run this. If you have an HDD, older Macs, then it's gonna take a lot longer. So right now it says that it's all done. We're just gonna click on Show Details. And it's good that you go throughout your details just to see that everything looks okay. So right now we can see that it's all right. We're gonna click on Done. And that's it. That's how you guys can run First Aid right here on your Mac. If you have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.